My people, how na dey also na dey fine. Na do e don tell small wey I never talk about Korra issue. I dey see wetin dey go on for social media. All this Dundee follower, all these mugus. You see all these Korra followers, all these supporters. They be really mugu, They be Dundee. I'll play this video for una. When she come out, come dey tell the fans, I need una help. Please, I want to take lawyer. You people should help me. It's 100,000. What do you want use 100,000 to do? You want buy? What you want buy? Na house you want buy? Be now waiting $100,000. Now you want to take lawyer. First of all, my people, I know say most of them they be Dundee or anyway. Anywhere where they like, the fit where their money put that one and their headache. Korra, you see this issue of say maybe you want go take lawyer and you want your children to be coming out on social media. Hey, you are just wasting your time. You see that money where they donate for you. If na maybe you, I use and do one thing where be say, I go they remember say, now my fans na do one for me. Because you go nowhere. Not be like, you go nowhere. Because you the thing say na Africa, now you dey. Or you the thing say na African man, now you born for. You born for Igbo. Or Igbo will be say they no law. Law now they don't they get time to they like to the followers the open mouth. Then deal with law. Anything where be say they want do, they already don't know that thing. So if you carry and go, according to you now, you want make your fans make they can't donate for you. They already donate for you. So the money now you can't use and take lawyer. So the lawyer now can't force your ex-husband. So they allow underage children to they call on social media. Not see una life. Most of una now so na know something. Whereas una no know. Remember, say that your children, they be underage. Underage. No judge. I don't tell una that one certain time say no judge go fit do anything when it comes to underage. And because of say the father no one made the day on social media. Everybody know the way social media take be. Social media fit damage your image. If you repair am, depends on what you can do for them. Talk less on say you can't put underage children, put them for them. And you now nakedness that they do for them. Not be say maybe you they cook. Say okay, maybe the children come they follow you like they cook for kitchen and they do all these things where be say no, not be that one. Do what you they do for live video. Now to open your bekus. Now to open that to get followers. So nobody, no lawyer go force your husband may allow underage children. Now both of una na born. No lawyer, no judge go fit force am make he put am for them. Okay? Only you is say low. Okay, why be say you want me your children can't join you? I don't understand. Not be you, only you want day before them. The time when you never born those children, not be only you want day for the live video. Now only you want day. Because you want me you use them take that take call audience, use them take the 5 views. Because when they'll see all those children and they'll like on they get oh see these children, oh see these children, let me give you star, let me give Korra, you know what you they do. I say you don't know what you they do. So you want now may your ex-husband can't allow you, make those children they call live video. Where the right and put. Even for the law of for this Facebook of 18, go read down. You know if you carry on that age, enter. You understand? Unless say now you go take anything where be say happen, you as a parents, now your responsibility because now you breed them come. So they not fit do anything. Social media where be say they even they draw it, papa, then they draw and leg. Then they call her all sorts of names. So you want make your children make them come stay for there. So that all those people where be say they not like it, papa, they'll come see the trauma, go they give your children. You don't get sense. I go even put the video, my people, where be say the driver, the Uber man where be say carry Korra goes airport or be somewhere. That one even they tell and say, yeah, now something way good. As far as say your husband no need them, very good because underage children they are not good to be on social media because social media not be place where be say you feel just leave your children like that because people come. That's why they come they insult and see high, see nose, see as he be very this one, very the other one. You understand all those things? Neither man say no, you not want. Plus, Korra they use those children till they like find money. And another one. Korra the thing say anything where you want to, you get the right to do 100%. You not get right to do 100%. Remember, say you be the mother of those children. Yes, na person give you belly, which is their father. It's 50-50. As far as say the man not wants, make those children dey for live video. If the same thing with you, you not go still want, make those children dey live video with her. Till when they go reach sorry my people, till when they go reach 18 years, they fit decide for themselves if they want put themselves for live video or not, if they want go on social media or not. Not be everybody like all this social media of 18. Not be everybody. All your dundee people now wey be say they donate for Korra now, they don't they cry for one corner say, hey, Korra they scam them. Even his sister say, hey, oh, the video still there here. His sister say, the fans they love her as Korra take they scam them. Now no sister na be dundee. Okay now, all those Korra people where they donate because una not know what una want use money to do. Korra dey live video, she buy house. Now the front of una, it cost you go Nigeria, can't go buy house. Una where they donate, una not get. I pity for some of una, whether na juju that they use for una. Common sense, you not common. You will go work 8 hours, 10 hours. You can't give one person where be say if they will just to make him money, even to viewer, she they make him money. You go come they cry for na ear say, I don't get money. I for take lawyer. And his sister one constant talk. He say. His sister get money, but he not use and take lawyer. He gets a fans. Now no sister they use on they make money. Now be ATM machine. Now be for Korra. Men na just they cry one. All of them don't they cry now say hey Korra don't do they don't they go the Korra don't open go fund me. He don't open up for their head and Korra now he want go holiday. He not go holiday. Maybe most of una now where be say if we will donate that money. Una never go holiday. Una they do una one pity person. And one pity person, one na dey grand. Now what you call concern us. Now you go for una mugus Koreans. I think na Koreans that they call una. Una be mugus. I know say una come for this video. I don't care because na the truth now go tell una. Most of una where be say una go they donate for them. Una still get mama, una still get brothers and sisters. If una use that money, take give them, say make them take it. They go tell una say they don't need that. Korra they make money. Korra never ever sit down can't tell una how much she they make from live video. He ex husband don't come show us. And now Korra na get views pass he ex husband so. Now Korra na get views pass. Even though say she get million, she go tell una say she not get 1 cent. Una we be muguna, una go the rush. Hey, we want to help her. Let's help her. She they use that they deceive una. Let's help her mother. Let's help her mom. Which kind of mom you want help? Your children, they are okay. Because of say you want carry them call live video. And that one, he not go work for any corner. He not fit work. Just now, as far as say the man not need that, he not fit work. It's like you want carry them go Nigeria now. If the man not sign, you know the children not they go anywhere. Now so it be. Nobody go fit force her. Nobody go fit tell her say even judge carry and go anywhere where be judge. They know they force her. Do you understand? If they wash all of una brain to see say the man a bad person, this one, that one, the other one. That's what it be. When you separate with somebody, that's what it be. Not be your like Africa person that you separate for. Where be say go leave you anything where you want to make it one. It not be like that. Oh. If Oyibo leave picking for you, just not said your Oyibo. You know, Oyibo not there where they leave the children. Oh. You go leave her for woman say carry go. Where they build your house put. You just not say na mangri Oyibo. Now they leave children for your mama say carry go no anything where you like may you carry may you go do. Now be akmagri Oyibo. Ori Oyibo. You lie. Nobody go feel force am. May we watch this video together, my people.
If I had money, yes, it's the only problem because if I had money, I won't be here. I'll just be talking to a lawyer.
Lie, not get money.
I don't have the money.
And those of you saying she has money, yes, she can pay for a lawyer, but she will not use her money for her children to pay to fight this guy.
What?
Thank you guys so much. This is the GoFundMe. I need help, guys. I need help.
What are you before?
Come up is a scammer. Yes, her fans love to be scammed.
Hey.
They love it. Yeah. So she had made a decision to not spend a dime on lawyers anymore.
You guys, I have secured the services of a lawyer right now. There's a lawyer on retainer right now, okay?
Really?
For your mind, Korra, that lawyer, he go only collect him money, enter his house. You know they do anything. Nobody go feel force your ex-husband. Make those children come live video for waiting now. Underage children. For where? For where? I beg you. Una before one night.
I am going to escape right now. No, I'm not escaping out of this world, no. I'm just going to a destination.
A land of pleasure. Hawaii. And yeah, it's giving big scams. Big scams.
To get an order that lets him delete my videos from his house. Anyone that has my kids in it, he can just sit there.
This Korra anyway, it not get sense so. It not get sense. You want order may delete your picture where they has. That one a past tense. Now wait it pass. You understand? Una fair marry before. Una not marry again. Nobody go fit still tell your husband waiting pass. Make it carry all of them. Go through where for inside bush. Now he go still decide say I don't need your picture for my house. Oh come in. Hey.
Yeah, delete them. So yeah, I'm losing money and I'm losing. It's yeah.
So you can't put your kids in the video because he'll delete them. Then.
Yeah, and then
Why should you put your kids on like social media anyway? You know, isn't that kind of sketchy?
It is kind of.
People, there's a lot of crazies out there. You know, you gotta be careful, right?
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Especially on that social media, yeah. Like you said, you don't want people to know your location, right?
I guess.
So, I mean, yeah. I've heard of people doing stuff like what you're talking about with their children or their grandchildren, right? Sharing them on social media, and then other people who watch them, they become obsessed with the children, right?
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, they become obsessed to where it's not healthy and it's a little bit scary and could be dangerous, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Can you imagine? Not I see man go come tell you.
But I don't want to tell you what to do with your life, you know, it's
No, thank you,
your
thank
life
you.
and your thing.
My people, so now Obama, now he go come tell you say the decision where your husband, your ex-husband take, now the right one. Hey, God, though. Can you imagine? You think say your ex-husband don't know what he they do? It may be two of una there together. That one they different. Both of una go take the decision together. But as far as say two of una not there, the man get right. So like, to open his eyes, say no, I don't want those children to be on live video. Because in me, I don't already go there. I see what there for his side. I don't want me what happen to me, may happen to those children. Where everybody knows, say social media. People where head not correct, 9 many pass. People where go just wake up, you go they find person where one insult, 9 many pass for this social media. So what are we talking about? So now this man now this Obama now he want to tell you what you want to do. Because Korra now he go fit still talk and say now ex-husband now he tell this man make come talk and una understand what all those mugu now, all these Mumu followers, they don't they cry one. Some of them they see some posts for them say we need our money back. You must give us our money. You are a scam. You are a this. Una do money don't enter one chance now. Yeah. He come to now. They say when Mugu fall, guy man go chop. Now so it be. Una be Mugu, so she be guy woman. He go like, una money don't go. As far as say na put am for them. Say una dey find person one one pity. Una get family, una not the pity them because of say Korra dey for life. She they make her money every month. Boy, money where they enter account. You think say na one kobo. I been not see the house where buy for America for them. You say to buy house for that side na coins. For una eye, still come out, you go buy for Nigeria. Now see where for buy for Nigeria. Most of una where donate that money, una not get one flat, una not get Mugu people. I bet my people help me to love and like and share this video for me. Sometimes see them just they do and just they look because I just they watch since all those days where we say if with the ex-husband don't come back again, they want come they draw their body. Now Korra use your sense, you don't want use. That money, not when they do a sympathy, not when they play sympathy for them, make people they look you say, oh, I just they pity, I know they pity you because you know what you they do. Both of una self, una know what you they do, una they make money for inside because you know if it all say your LMO wey be say don dey for America for there, e no fit tell you say you no go fit win this case for this man hand. Now, bye bye, my people. Help me to love and like and share. Follow me on my Facebook, Untouchable Mama backup page, Untouchable Mama. Follow me on my YouTube, Unto Mama TV. Now, me still get her. God bless you as you do. Una bye bye for now.